Game, begin.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am S.H. Hyun from Product Marketing. Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to attend this 2021 dealer conference. Behind me, you can see our premium Tier 3 model, HX520L. HX480L and HX520L have Cummins X12 Tier 3 engine with exhaust pump, and we have put our all cutting-edge technologies to these models. First of all, fuel efficiency has been highly improved by new hydraulic system called IPC upgrade. If you operate 10,000 hours, you can save 30,000 liters diesel, which allows you to save $24,000 compared to 9 series models. With the HX series cabin and cowl, we now have cooler design and better convenience for the operators. Customized setting is available through 8-inch wide cluster. We expect to enhance the durability by 20% with the arm width increased by 40 mm, variable shim bucket pin, and increased undercarriage components. Main filters are concentrated in RH side for accessibility. Serviceability has also been improved due to the reversible fan and always air cleaner. In order to meet the customer's needs, we have added new options such as AEVM, proportional RCV, and rotating piping. With HX480L and HX520L, Hyundai will be the major player in the 50-ton excavator global market.
Form a pair. This time it's marbles.
Next, we have the new model HX220HD produced in our India plant. Our India plant has started to produce HX210HD and HX220HD from this September. They are almost identical to HX210S, HX220S in terms of appearance, performance, and quality. The only difference lies in location where they are made. Not only do HX210HD and HX220HD share the same engine, main pump, MCB, and motors as our Korean models, but all of their components are also compatible. We are sure that HX210HD and HX220HD will provide even more value to you since their standard features include heavy-duty boom, arm, and lower frame. As already proved in harsh Indian market, there's no question of the durability of this heavy-duty part. Hyundai will gradually implement flexible production through overseas plants to meet customers' needs and the expected lead time. Now, what matters for us is not the location of production. Rather, it is our brand, made by Hyundai.
This is the final stage, tug of war.
Lastly, I'd like to show you our 9 series wheel loaders. Our 9S series wheel loaders will be integrated into 9 series from 2022. Equipped with Tier 3 engines, load sensing system, and bigger buckets, 9 series wheel loaders are now 11% more productive than 9S series. Operators feel more convenient with the newly added wing system and joystick steering option. Boom and bucket position setting is also available with a simple switch button in the cabin. Moving on to the appearance, frame and axles are colored in green-gray for a better visual effect. It looks more robust and durable. Tool master models are available on HL730, 740, and 757-9 with parallel linkage. They can be utilized in more various fields with pallet fork and grapple attachment. New options have been added on HL780-9, such as short boom, additional counterweight, heavy-duty axles, and axle cooling system for marble application. Now, we invite you to experience the upgraded performance and a variety of functions of 9-seat wheel loaders. Thank you.